It's almost a trademark sound, but Nerdventure is about to get underway. And this time, going to Indiana again, but Muncie, Indiana, for, the truck's still not done yet, for the International Open at the Academy of Model Aeronautics. The cube is maybe the least loaded it's ever been. I only have 3 bags this time. I'm getting good at all the airport things. And this guy is jamming out on the piano over there. Piano jam. My flight got canceled, so I gotta go get my checked bags and rebook myself on. So my flight got canceled. The next flights are the next day, 8 a.m. And I had to go get all my sweet bags, and I can't check them in. So I got to sleep in the part of the airport till 3 a.m. when I can check them in. So cool. This is gonna be my zone tonight. I find myself a corner. I got my sweet zone over here. I'll be cold chilling all night. I did not get a new truck. This is the rental. It's a sweet, I don't know, it's pretty new. It's only got 12,000 miles on it, but it gets it. The radar cruise control and all that stuff is red. Look in the back. I filled the whole bed of the truck up with all that, and the whole back of the truck is, I don't know, can you see that? Back of the truck's full too. Still 2 more hours to go. This has been like the longest travel day ever of all time. I'm so stoked. I'm almost to the longest travel day ever. I made it to Io last night. I think it was like 2:30 when I finally pulled in. Needless to say, I didn't make a video clip of it, but here we are. That's our chalet for the week. We got a rental off of some camper website. It's great. But we're in the camp zone this year. We'll go tour around and check this place out. Woohoo! Finally got out to the tracks, got the boxes opening up, got some banners set up, made the flags. We got super VIP tent area this year. It's bolted down, it's heavy duty. I'm stoked. But this is the World Cup track area, and I think they're starting to do practice laps and stuff, which is rad. We'll go check that out in a minute. There's, I think, 6 tracks altogether at IO this year. On-site barbecue. This is the world famous TinyWhoop Tent, where the tiny whooping after parties will be happening each night, or at least for sure Saturday, but it's supposed to be pretty awesome. It was awesome last year. I can't say last year, I gotta say last time. This is the World Cup 1 pit area. That's Chris Thomas. Hi, Chris. Guys. Dude, I miss the sound of racing drones so much. This is great.
24 flat. 24.3. 23.7.
Practice time.
All right.
129 pilot. 133.9. 1.15.
Crasher. It's like almost noon now here in Indiana. The humidity has reached its pinnacle. It should cool off the rest of the day if we're lucky. We're like overcast skies, non-stop. I think this will be final configuration for the booth. And then I got some extra flags to go and do other things with. Evan Turner's here. I don't know if you heard of him or not. Heads Up FPV. He runs a company called Fly533 that makes frames. They sell all sorts of cool stuff. He took his mom's minivan to Iowa. It's about 1:30, I think. I can walk right up to the edge of the track and almost get hit by copters. That's pretty awesome. World Cup practice is happening. They've been out there shredding packs for a couple hours now. Oof. Oh. Oh. It's broken. That little white tent right there, and you can kind of see the flags on the ridgeline. That's the World Cup track. You go around the road and then you end up over here. This is, the sign says the intermediate track. They got different levels of racing. And then right over there is the campground where we're staying this weekend. Super sweet. But they got dedicated pit spots in all of the zones. Look, it's Joe Scully's there. He's talking to Doug Kling. They're like doing stuff and things. There's Mary. Her name's not Mary, it's Michelle. See that guy? That's useless. There he is, being useless. Bros, it is dumping so hard right now. It's like a flash storm came through, and it's just been, woo! Woo! All of a sudden, the wind picked up, everybody's canopy started going crazy, running everywhere. Sideways rain. Yee! Those black clouds off in the distance just rolled over us and caused some major carnage. They were lucky they got the track down. That's where that World Cup track was that we were looking at a minute ago, but we broke a flag. It couldn't take it. That one got bent a lot, but that's how it goes sometimes. Hopefully that's the end of the storms for today and we'll be good. Wednesday, look at those skies, man. So cool. Stopped thunderstorming and raining and they put the track back up and practice is back on. It's now Thursday. It's like 2 o'clock, 2:15, maybe 2:30. Qualifying has officially started over in the World Cup track. Brought to you by Hobbywing. Lots of guys, well, lots of pilots, let's put it that way, because there's some lady racers. MultiGP has brought out their women in drone racing tent and they've been doing cool stuff, getting the ladies involved. Everybody likes that. But they got sweet time and scoring booth over there. That's the flight line at the front. And then hot pits. Not because of the temperature, because there's lots of action.
Put them on the...
I picked one up from the field, so I thought this was your stash.
So these are batteries that people might think catch on fire. So if you found a battery, yeah, see that's.
Well, this is like obviously not sports.
Yeah, that one can you throw out. But these are, you know, somebody's looking for that. And then all the other ones after that, remember that, and these are kind of stuff. And our movie we do. Oh, dude. So you gotta figure that. Another one. Yeah.
Dude, that gate just took out like 3 in a row. That's Paul.
We gotta figure it out.
J-Rod just hooked up my... I had no hat, now I have a hat. This thing is ridiculous, dude. We made it over just in time for the start of 2 pilots, 1 quad, where one pilot operates the throttle stick and the other pilot operates the other stick.
That's part of racing. Really good. Understand how to play. So Jake with the first lap at a 16.78.
Mason / Kyle 20.7.
There we go. Mason and Kyle looking pretty good out there as well. Not quite sure who that is. He's all over the place.
Mason / Kyle 15.8.
We're looking real good. 15.8.
Fly / 836.2.
Oh, nice. Turn in. The important one. Oh yeah, that was legal.
Potato 15.
Now the pilots switch their task. They go from being the throttle jockey to the pitch and roll. Yeah. Looks like they're ready to do the 2 pilots, 1 copter grand finale. It's a chase the ace format, so first copter to win 2 races.
Format. Who's it gonna be?
10 laps, because 3S racing is the jam.
I got the go ahead from Evan Turner.
It's final number 2.
On your quads going live and code.
2 pilots, 1 drone.
Dude, this is amazing. I see that fast. That go that fast. Yeah. I don't even launch that good. I know.
Yellow props is good right now.
This is our lead battle coming through the front. They got black clear props. Oh, so it's Amari. And then Nick and Alex are chasing hard trying to reel him in, but Amari and Colby won the first final, so they are the favorites, and they're gapping. They're moving out a little bit further.
Jake / Potato 16.6.
10 laps though. Oof. Somebody caught the big gate in the back.
Goes Apex and Imperious.
Leader comes by one more time. Second spot. Still losing ground.
Jake / Potato 16.6.
They're winning.
Crap my own / Cat.
Go reach around. Oh yeah.
Crap my own / Cat 19.3. Jake / Potato 18.9.
Oh, down they go.
Ooh.
So Kobe and Amari took it home, 2 wins in a row. I think they almost lapped the field that time. They were doing 14-second lap times. Nobody else was even touching that. Real. There's proof that he's not actually useless. He's doing something helpful by disinfecting this man who's fallen on his skateboard today.
I had taken his pants off earlier too. You might have missed.
Jesus, Sky.
I told you can't sue for sexual harassment if it's done in the moment of saving someone's life.
Oh, that's why you do this, just to touch more wieners.
That counts for only CPR.
36.6. 19.2.
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing either,
Out
folks. He found a pilot was plugged in, and he was using his radar to narrow in on where it's coming from. I.O. would not be complete without a visit to the TinyWhoop Tent, where Jesse Perkins himself puts together an amazing place to come hang out and relax after your long, stressful day of doing drone race things. They have a free refreshment stand. They got a full TinyWhoop racetrack set up with a pilot line and timing and scoring and the whole. So you're getting to race TinyWhoop if you want, or you can just hang out and have a good time and almost get hit by TinyWhoops repeatedly. I mean, it's actually a ton of fun. For some people, maybe the highlight of the thing. And look, dude, there's like famous drone people here. Jesse Perkins. He's right there. That's Jesse. Look at Jesse. Provo. So this is a private clip of some nerds talking about some super serious secret stuff. And it's 11:30 at night. It's Thursday. We're at the International Open, and these guys are nerding out. I'm not gonna say who it is. Y'all can guess. You might recognize. I'm going back to the party because these guys are talking about some work stuff. I'm out of here. Guys, if you ever go to an event and you rent a golf cart, here's your pro tip. You do not leave your keys in the golf cart because someone is gonna go hot lap your golf cart. Because you can't leave your keys in your golf cart. I don't know. I mean, I'm just saying. We had to pay a lot of rental car fees because somebody left our keys in our golf cart one year, and it hasn't been the same ever since. So everybody, don't leave your keys in your golf cart. All right, we're gonna bring it back like nothing even happened.
Oh, they won't even know.
Oh, they overdid the zip tie. Hold on.
Whoa, that was a good slide, dude.
Yeah.
You're an experienced fucking...
Yeah. Way to go. What number is this? Thank you, the owner of cart number 16.
We are all good to go. Roll a seat.
1 minute to go.
So what we'd like you to do is give us 2 flybys. Slow as low as you can. And you'll do a third one, and then we'll shoot you on the third one.
Look at these guys.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah! That was perfect. Oh, he missed! Oh, so close.
Thanks, man. That was awesome.
That was pretty sweet.
We've unlocked a new feature of the golf carts where you can do wheelies. That is great, dude. Love you guys. I feel like this is a bad idea. Yeah. We got the glow stick. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That was amazing. That was amazing. Holy shit.
I was riding both cars. Straight up.
That was great, dude.
They're going to reverse.
Are they pointing in the wrong direction? Okay. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! He's coming right for us. Somebody suggested a reverse race so they could smell all their exhausts. Reverse race. Come on, don't be a wuss. I'm eating a hamburger. I'm eating a hamburger this whole time. Go! There's a guy on top. You can't see it, but he's on top like a crazy person. I love you guys. I'm not sure what time it is, but it's very late. Outside TinyWhoop, they're still doing qualifiers in there for the IO Championship of TinyWhoop. We just got done doing some sort of nonsense with the golf carts. I don't even know what happened, but there was drag racing and a wheelie contest, and it was a real good time. I'm gonna go back in, but we put the camera away because I keep dropping it.